In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your iPhone. Now, I'll be demonstrating here with an iPhone 13, but these instructions should work for any iPhone that does not have a home button. So the first method involves pressing and holding two buttons at the same time. So the first button is the side button. The second button is either the volume up or the volume down button. So I'll demonstrate this to you. I'm going to do the volume up and the side button first. So I'm going to press and hold. And I'm going to keep holding until this slide to power off appears. And then I'll push the cancel here just to show you can do the same thing by holding the volume down and the side button at the same time. So I'm going to press and hold these at the same time. And now we have that slide to power off, and all you have to do is press here and drag it to the right. And so now my iPhone is turning off. So if that first method didn't work for you, maybe one of your buttons isn't working, or if it was too hard for you to hold down those two buttons at the same time, there is another way without touching buttons. So you'll just need to find and open your settings app. And then we're going to scroll down until we find General, and then we can tap on that. And then we're going to scroll down until we find Shut Down, and then we can tap on that. And here we get that power off slider, and again, you can just press and drag to the right. A third way to turn off your iPhone is actually using Siri. So if you have the Siri set up for just your voice, you can say something like, "Hey Siri, turn off my iPhone."
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device?
Yes. And just like that, only with my voice, I didn't touch the phone at all, it was able to turn off. If any of those previous methods didn't work for you, your device may need to be forced to restart. Another Hey Siri command you can use is the following. Hey Siri, restart my device.
Just to confirm, you want to restart this device?
Yes. So now it's actually going to turn off the iPhone as well as turn it back on. So I'll show you here without even touching it that the Apple logo will appear, and it just did. And now my phone has restarted. So if you're having some problems, that may work even if your screen is frozen. I'm not 100% sure because I don't have a frozen iPhone to double check, but that is one thing that you could try. Now, if none of those other methods worked for you, you will need to force restart your device. And so let me walk you through this. It's a little complex. You'll need to quickly press the volume up button and let go, quickly press the volume down button and let go, and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. So let me go over this with you. So I'm going to quickly press, press and hold. And now the slide to power off button comes off, and I'm still holding, and I'm waiting for the Apple logo to appear, still holding just the side button. Now I can let go. If you found this video helpful, could you please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you want to learn more about your iPhone. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.